Hello everyone, welcome to Your Power Insights That Ignite, a show where we dive into powerful stories, leadership journeys and ideas that keep the industries moving forward. And today's episode is a special one. We'll be talking about power, not just electrical power, but the power of vision, leadership, partnership, resilience and people. Your Power is one of UK's leading generator and UPS companies, known for manufacturing, supplying, installing and maintaining critical power systems. And in Bangladesh, 𝐏𝐶𝐈 Motors plays a vital role in strengthening and supporting Your Power's footprint and operations. So today, we bring together leaderships from both sides of this powerful partnership to explore how Your Power began, how it grew, how it faced challenges, and how it continues to power progress. Let me introduce our guests. First joining us is Mr. Tony Brimble, Group CEO of Your Power. Tony has been instrumental in shaping Your Power's strategic direction and long-term growth. Also with us is Mr. Stephen Peel, Group Managing Director of Your Power. Stephen leads a highly skilled team across the UK, overseeing supply, installation and commissioning of generators and UPS systems while building strong people-first culture. And finally, representing 𝐏𝐶𝐈 Motors, we have Mohammad Nurul Muntazir, Marketing Manager at 𝐏𝐶𝐈 Motors, a key voice behind how Your Power connects with customers and strengthens Bangladesh's backup power landscape. Welcome you all. It's great to have you today. Mr. Tony Brimble, I'd like to start with you. How did the journey of Your Power begin? Take us back to the early days. What inspired Your Power and what gap did you see in the power solutions space at that time?
Well, Your Power's journey began 37 years ago, back in 1989, as a small family business. I acquired Your Power in 2004. Very quickly after that, we acquired a service business, and since then we've added on a controls business and another key competitor in the UK of ours that we took out the market back in 2013. So we've been able to now provide a complete solution for backup power, which is generators, UPS, installation, maintenance, and more importantly, long-term service spare parts for the life of that equipment. In Bangladesh, I think we've been trading in Bangladesh probably 25 years now, and it was a very fragmented market. And back in 2017, we partnered with 𝐓𝐶𝐈, and that partnership has flourished and really developed into a very good market for both of us.
Talking about the foundation time, that foundation really sets the tone for everything Your Power has become. Looking back, what achievement in Your Power's journey makes you most proud? Is there any particular milestone or decision or moment that stands out for you personally?
Yeah, there are many proud moments. The proudest is we now have an extremely good company with great people, an excellent engineering team, and good loyal customers. And every year, touch wood, English phrase, we carry on growing. And that's hopefully because we provide a good service, we do put customers first, and that creates loyalty, word mouth to mouth brings us more customers.
Wonderful.
And long may it continue.
Wonderful. It's clear that your power's growth has been about much more than scale. It's about values and consistency.
Yes.
I'll come back to you now, Mr. Stephen Peel. What sets your power generators apart from other brands in the market? From technology to service service to mindset. What truly differentiates your power?
Okay, yeah, there are so many things. I could go on about this for a long time. Your Power is very proudly English. We're based in the north of England. Everything we put together, UK assembled and UK manufactured, and UK engines, and shipped directly here to Bangladesh from England. That means we've got a good quality of product that we put into the market and that we bring here to Bangladesh. But not just the generator as a product, it's also about the after-sales service that we provide, and it's about long-term relationships, and that's where it really works with ACI, because they think exactly the same about that long-term partnership through there. In the UK, we do all of the projects, we do all of the installations, we have a huge service team across the country, exactly as ACI work here as well. So we can understand that and support that, and it makes it much more than just product. It's all about the service and delivery.
Nice. That emphasis on reliability and people's first thinking really stands out in a highly competitive market. Now, I'd like to ask Mr. Nurul Muntazir, what has been the most memorable moment in your power's journey so far? A moment that made you feel this partnership was creating, real tangible impact.
Thank you very much. Actually, we have started back in 2017. If you consider the industry, we are the most late entry in this industry. So starting back with your power back in 2017, on the early days, I can still remember that we are struggling to get orders. I'm going everywhere, okay, saying this brand. Now, when the last 3 years back, we have become the market leader in this industry. That is the momentum actually your power got and ACI got. So this moment actually, when we have become market leader after 5 or 6 years of operation, even we had COVID in between. So that time actually massively we have grown with your power. If you consider the government KPI projects, the defense projects all over Bangladesh, including the National Parliament building, including all the medical colleges, including all the KPI projects, everywhere you can see a your power generator. That is actually the thing ACI and your power both have achieved. I think so.
It's somehow become the emotional backbone of a brand's journey, I guess.
Definitely.
Tony, I'd come to you. What factors led your power to choose ACI Motors as a partner? What aligned between your power and ACI that made this collaboration feel natural and strategic?
Well, as I said earlier, I think we've been in Bangladesh approximately 30 years, dealing with lots of individual companies. Back in the UK, we install, we commission, we maintain, we look after the customer completely. And when customers are spending such a large amount of money on equipment, they have to have that backup. So when we tied up with ACI back in 2017, it was important to us, two things. One, that they could support the product in the marketplace, and secondly, to be financially able to hold stock, because waiting 4 weeks for delivery from the UK to many customers that need power now is not acceptable. So they gave us the confidence that they wanted to go on this journey, and obviously, since then the results have proved it. So we're extremely pleased.
Also, I think you'd agree. Strong partnerships like this are often tested during difficult times, which brings me to the next question to Stephen. What important lessons did your power learn during challenging times, whether operational, cultural, or strategic? What shaped the company the most?
Yeah, I think we're often in challenging times, and I think when you're in those challenging times, that's when it really tests the relationship, and when you know that you've got a partnership. What's important in challenging times is to continue to do the good things that we have done. There's an awful lot of marketing activity that we support ACI with, that ACI do better than us sometimes in some areas. And we learn from each other and build forward. I personally have been over into Bangladesh 4 times in the last couple of years. And that's during a period where it was challenging, where the market was not as strong as it had been before. That enabled us to work with ACI, understand their customers, go and see their customers, build confidence in the brand, but also stay in their mind, because these challenging times won't be here forever. And when it turns around again, we kept ourselves in a strong position. We kept strong relationships and supported each other and worked through it.
Those lessons clearly feed into how your power operates today. Stephen, how does ACI Motors support your power's operations across Bangladesh, from logistics to service to local expertise? How does this partnership work on the ground?
Yeah, so and the good word there, partnership, and that's exactly where it starts. We have a strong understanding of each other's businesses and how they work together, and yeah, I mentioned before, we learn a little bit from ACI as well. They have the 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 app, which is, you know, probably better than anybody in the market with regards to delivering good service support and after sales service. And there's a very strong relationship with our teams and with the wider ACI teams to make sure things are dealt with honestly and openly. Part of our value is trust. Making sure that we can be trusted, and trust is something that you build over time and can lose very easily. So we're always very honest, and I know that that's passed on from ACI to the customers. They know exactly what's happening, when it's happening, and can also trust the quality of everything that's being delivered as well as the product itself.
The local strength really makes the difference in ensuring continuity and reliability, I think. All right. Nurul, to close the conversation, how does ACI ensure reliable service coverage nationwide? Because in backup power, service is as important as the product itself, I think.
Actually, for ACI Motors, we provide the best after-sales service in the industry, because we have an app which is a 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬, app, and this is the only app I think the industry have so far for generator servicing. And also we have our skilled technicians, and some of our technicians has been trained by our principal from England and from our engine company Perkins as well. And also we are trying to connect our customer over phone. We have a central hotline number, so any complaint, any requirement, our customer can directly call into our call center. And also we have a dedicated number from where we used to connect our customers on every 3 months of time and talking to them whether what service actually he requires. So I think without service we cannot be the market leader, so I hope proves a lot.
Nurul, what role does ACI play in strengthening Bangladesh's backup power solution? Beyond your power as a brand, how does this contribute to the country's infrastructure and future growth?
Thank you very much. As you know, Bangladesh is a developing country. We are developing massively in the construction, in the government projects, in the residential apartment projects. I think there will be a huge requirement of diesel generator on the coming days, And being the market leader in the industry, we will support our customer with very new fuel efficient technologies so that our customer will be benefited with our products. And also we are planning to provide some top-notch after-sales support so that people will get more confidence on the brand, Your Power and ACI both. And so industry will be boom. So diesel generator requirement will be there, and we hope to serve everyone very carefully and very good. Thank you.
Today's conversation shows us that real power comes from vision, resilience and partnership, and from people who are committed to doing things the right way. Thank you, Tony, Stephen and Nurul, for sharing your stories and insights.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thanks to everyone who are with us in this show, Your Power Insights that Ignite. If this conversation sparked ideas in you, for you, stay tuned for more stories that fuel progress. I'm Rubaya Taditi signing off until next time. Stay inspired, stay powered.